It doesn't get any bigger than SEMA as far as the automotive industry coming together and just showcasing what they can do.
The show has been fantastic. Traffic is up. We've got amazing people coming by the booth, checking out our builds, our new products, talking with the team. It's great to be back at SEMA.
It's been amazing. A lot of good people coming in and saying, hey, I didn't know that this product exists. How does it work? Doing a lot of demos, a lot of training. And we have a lot of customers who are like, hey, I know your product, I love it. It's so cool to see you guys here. The build on the Raptor is really cool.
My favorite event every single year is the Toyota reveal that I'm about to go to right now. You've got the best of the best getting together and building the most amazing cars.
I've been attending SEMA for 10 years now, and this is my second year exhibiting. And by far, this has been a heck of a show. And I see the diversity within the people and just the conversation. And just for us as an organization, I mean, Reggie Jackson came up to the booth and was looking for me. I mean, it means the world to me.
The traffic here, the energy, the excitement, the products at everybody's booth, really, really good. And it's just so valuable for us to be here to present new products, talk to our customers, potential customers, dealers, everything.
This is fantastic. It's going to be a great year ahead, and we're looking forward to the show next year.